Hey everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be learning how to create a AWS managed Kafka with the public access. And I'm also going to tell you how to create topics in it, what is the setup that should have to create topics, and we'll also check if topics has been created in our AWS managed Kafka cluster or not. So let's get started with it. Here you can see the MSK, or you can just search it in the search box also here, and go to clusters, click on create cluster. So here you will be having two options, one is server quick create and another one is custom create. So we'll go ahead with the custom create, give it a name as demo cluster. You can give whatever you want, and here cluster types are two. One is serverless and another one is provisioned, so we'll go ahead with the provisioned. And the Kafka version you can keep as the default one, which is the recommended one also. And here the broker types, so you choose a standard broker because express brokers are kind of costly. So for the demo purpose, we'll be using standard brokers. And the broker size, I'm gonna keep the smallest one, which is Kafka T3 small. And the number of zones, I'll be choosing 2. We don't need 3 zones for now. And if we are keeping number of zones too, then we'll be having 2 brokers, one for each zone. And here storage, I'm gonna keep it as 10. And yeah, click on next, then choose the VPC. I'm gonna choose the default one, choose the first zone, choose the subnet which is inside that zone, choose the second zone, and choose the subnet which is inside the second zone. And we will need one security group also, so we will be creating a security group. So I'm gonna give it a name as demo cluster SG. I'm gonna keep the description as same. I'm gonna add the rule to make 9198, which is the port that we'll be using for our Kafka cluster for public access, and I'm gonna open it for whole internet. Yeah, so that's it. Click on create security group, and when you go here, click on browse. So we'll be choosing this newly created security group. I'm gonna remove this default one. Yeah, so click on next, and here, so will be having 4 security settings. We'll be only keeping this IAM role based authentication because we'll be creating the topics using access key and secret key, and this must be off on unauthenticated access, so you cannot turn it on. And this SSL and TLS also, we don't need that. So we'll be only allowing this IAM role based authentication, which helps us to create the topics inside our AWS managed Kafka using access key and secret key. We can use this in code. You can also use this from terminal if we have access key and secret key which has the informations. And yeah, click on next, and this monitoring and all, will be keeping it as default. That's it. Click on next, and just check all the settings that we have chosen. And this is the last create cluster. Yeah, so it takes around 15 to 20 minutes, so we'll just wait for it. So okay, so our Kafka cluster has been created, so just go inside that. And I forgot to tell you that while creating a Kafka cluster, we cannot make it public. So after creating a Kafka cluster, only we can make it public. So here we will be seeing this option, public access, that is off right now. So click on edit, public access, and just turn it on. Click on save changes. So after doing this also, it will take some time to reflect. When you go here, you can see that it is in updating status. So what we'll do is we'll set up our local PC to create a Kafka cluster. So we need some uh, dependencies to create topics in our Kafka cluster. So I have this documentation from AWS. So we need to install Java on our local. So I have this Java installed in my local already. So you should also have this Java installed in your local to create a topic inside our Kafka cluster. So after that, I have this AWS official documentation to create a topic inside our MSK cluster. So what we'll be doing is we'll just run the commands one by one, whatever they have given us. So this is the first step. So we already have Java installed, and after that we'll just set up this Kafka version. We are not using 3.6.0. So if we go to our cluster, click on our cluster, here we can see that we are using this 3.8.0 version. So I'll just type it here. Then after that, go to our documentation. It will download the Apache Kafka with the latest version that we have mentioned. Yes, so it will take some time, and this will help us to create a topic from our local inside our Kafka cluster. It will download one zip file, and here is the command to unzip that file that will be running next. So we'll just wait for some time and we'll let it download first. I'll just unzip the file. Then this is the command to set up the path. Then go inside this libs folder. Inside this libs folder, I'll have to download this GitHub repo, which is necessary to authenticate the MSK cluster. So I'll just here we'll have to find the latest version of this GitHub repo, which is 2.3.2. So just copy this command, go here and just remove this part and type 2.3.2. Okay, it will download that repo with the latest version. Then go to config folder. Inside this config folder, we'll have to create one file named client.properties. Okay, and inside that client.properties file, we'll have to copy paste this content. Just save it. Then run this next command and set up the endpoints of our brokers. So this will be saved as bootstrap server. To get the endpoints of our broker, go to your cluster. This is our cluster, and here you will be seeing this new client information button. Click on this. Here we will be getting two endpoints, which is private one and another one is public one. If you are using the cluster inside the VPC, so we'll be using this private endpoint, but as we are trying to create a topic from our local, we'll be using this public endpoint. So I'll just paste it here. After that, we'll try to create a topic inside our cluster. So this command is for 3 brokers, but if you remember, we have only created 2 brokers. I'll just make it 2, and I'll also change the name of the topic. I'll give it a name as demo. When I try to do that, you can see that I'll get an error you saying access denied. This is because we haven't set up the access key and secret key for our local. So what we have to do is go here, click on this IAM, click on users. We'll have to create a user, and for that user we'll have to create access key and secret key, and we'll have to give the enough permissions to use our Kafka cluster, which is inside our AWS account. So I'll just click on create user. I'm gonna give it a name as Kafka user. Click on next. I'm gonna attach a policy. Actually, I'm gonna create a one policy. I'll also give the policy. Here is the policy that we'll have to attach to our user, go here, click on JSON and paste it here. It will give our user the permission to play with our cluster. Kafka cluster permission. We can create topics with the help of these permissions inside our cluster. Click on create policy. Go here, refresh it once. Then just will search Kafka cluster. This is the policy that we have just created. Click on next. Click on create user. Click on this newly created user. Click on create access. And here check this understand box. Click on next. Give some name. And click on create access and secret key. This we'll have to configure in our local with the help of AWS configure command. So to run this command, you will have to install AWS CLI inside your PC. Click on enter, then give this access key, then copy this secret key, paste it here, and you will have to give the region name where you have created your MSK cluster. So my MSK cluster is inside Mumbai region. So this is the AP South one. So I'm just gonna paste it here. Click on enter. That's it. Now what we'll do is we'll try to create a topic inside our cluster. I'm gonna give it a name as demo topic. So now it will create a topic. You can see the output. Here it is saying that created topic demo topic, and we can also see which and all topics we have inside our cluster with the help of this command. I'm just gonna copy paste it here. So here we can see that we have created this demo topic inside our cluster right now. This is another topic that I have created earlier. So yeah, that's it guys. This is how we create a publicly available MSK cluster inside our AWS, and this is how we create topics and check if topic is created. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.